Good day everyone, I am Cadet Ulpindo and I am here to demonstrate on how to announce distress, urgency, and safety message. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Fortnite MMSI 112-655-486. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Position 65 degrees 10 decimal 5 minutes north. 010 degrees 22 minutes east. I am sinking. I require immediate assistance. I have 4 people on board, including 2 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. One lifeboat has 3 people on board, including the casualties. The other lifeboat has 1 person on board. Over. Pan. All stations. This is 112-655-486 MV Fortnite. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Position 5 degrees 11 decimal 8 minutes north. 010 degrees 22 minutes east. I have problems with engine. I require tug assistance. Over. Security. All ships. In area Jones Reef. This is 112-655-486 MV Fortnite. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Dangerous wreck located in position 3 nautical miles south of Jones Reef. Over.